You're staring at your most important task, but your brain keeps screaming for another hit of social media, another video, another distraction. And no matter how many times you tell yourself to focus, you just can't seem to resist. Here's the truth. Your brain isn't broken. It's just severely overstimulated. By the end of this video, you'll have a research-backed system to reset your dopamine sensitivity and unlock hours of sustained focus without relying on willpower. The problem isn't your discipline. It's your brain's reward system being completely hijacked by modern technology. But here's what makes this system different. Instead of asking you to go cold turkey, we're going to strategically reset your neural pathways. Let's start with your environment. First, identify your top 3 dopamine triggers, the apps or activities that give you that instant hit of pleasure. Now, here's the key. Don't delete them. Instead, create what neuroscientists call a stimulus boundary. Move these apps to a separate folder, or better yet, to a different device entirely. The next step is what I call the contrast protocol. For the next 72 hours, you're going to dramatically lower your baseline dopamine stimulation, but in a very specific way. Start your day with 20 minutes of monotonous activity, something like sorting papers or folding laundry. This isn't punishment. It's deliberately calibrating your brain's reward threshold. Now, here's where most people fail at dopamine detoxing. They try to eliminate all pleasure, which is both unsustainable and counterproductive. Instead, we're going to use the progressive reward timing technique. Set specific time blocks for high dopamine activities, but here's the crucial part. Schedule them after completing your deep work sessions. This creates a new neural association. Focus first, reward second. To make this stick, use what behavioral scientists call implementation intentions. Every evening, write down tomorrow's first deep work task and place it next to your morning coffee or tea. Your brain will start linking your morning routine to focused work instead of reaching for that phone. When you follow this system, something remarkable happens. Tasks that used to feel boring suddenly become engaging. Your mind stays clear and focused for hours, and most importantly, you regain control over your attention. Here's your immediate action step. Right now, yes, right this second, take your most distracting app and move it to a folder labeled Reward. This simple act starts rewiring your brain's reward circuitry. And if you find your focus dropping during the day, I've created a specialized 4-minute focus reset protocol, a guided system based on neuroscience to instantly recalibrate your attention. Grab it free using the link below, and let's rebuild your focus, one neural pathway at a time.